If you're looking to upgrade your RV antenna setup, the roof mount kit for Pathway X1 and Carryout G2 antennas offers a simple, permanent solution. This kit lets you convert your portable antenna into a roof-mounted unit without the need to buy a new antenna, saving both time and money. Designed for easy installation, the kit requires only a coax cable connection. It includes everything you need: mounting feet, a cable entry plate, a wall plate, and a complete hardware package. No complicated tools or extra parts are necessary, making it a straightforward upgrade for any RV owner. Compatible with Carryout G2, G2 Plus, and Pathway X1 antennas, this mount kit fits seamlessly with your existing equipment. That means you don't have to worry about compatibility issues or replacing your trusted antenna when switching to a permanent roof setup. Users across the United States have praised this kit for its durability and ease of installation. One reviewer shared their experience upgrading to the Winegard G2 Plus antenna on their motorhome roof. After their older antenna lasted 6 years and couldn't be repaired, this kit provided a perfect fit and a quick, secure mounting option. The convenience doesn't stop there. With Amazon offering the kit at a competitive price and free shipping for Prime members, you get great value without waiting long. Delivery within 5 days means you can start enjoying improved reception on your next trip sooner than expected. Switching to a permanent roof mount improves your antenna's stability and reception, especially on the road. This kit makes the transition easy, letting you focus on your travels instead of worrying about signal drops or fragile setups. If you're ready to enhance your RV's TV antenna system with a reliable, easy-to-install roof mount, this kit is worth a look. It's a practical upgrade that delivers lasting performance without the hassle of buying an entirely new antenna. Try the roof mount kit when you're ready to secure your Carryout or Pathway antenna for the long haul. It's a smart investment for anyone who values convenience, compatibility, and solid signal reception on the road.